Hey there, YouTube. Well, as you know, I recently sold the Jeep YJ, and I just picked something else up. Kind of looks kind of familiar, doesn't it? Kind of like the 2000 Expedition I have, but only a little different. Well, I think I got a killer deal on this, and absolutely love it. And I'm going to go ahead and make a video on the outside of it as soon as I get home. Haven't cleaned it, haven't done anything to it, just bought it. And I bought this specific vehicle for a reason, so I'll make a video on that here shortly. There's the miles, 165,000. So stay tuned, and as soon as I park, I'll show you everything. Alrighty folks, so here we are. Here's what I ended up buying. Why did I buy this? Because my 2000 Ford Expedition has been such a solid, reliable vehicle. It's never let me down. It's got 205,000 miles on it. It's a beast. So I thought about it. What did I really want? I wanted a Toyota Tacoma, 4-door, 4-wheel drive. You're going to pay a minimum of $15,000 for one with, mileage like this one here has on it. And even then, it's not nearly as capable of this vehicle as this vehicle is. And although I'm a huge Ford and a huge Toyota fan, I've always wanted one of those Tacomas. I wasn't willing to pay that kind of money. So here's what I ended up getting. I figured I wanted the same platform as the Expedition. I wanted the same 5.4 liter. I wanted 4-wheel drive, and I wanted 4 doors. But I didn't want another Expedition. I wanted a truck. So here's what I got. And as you can see, it's 4-wheel drive. It's been lifted. I'm not sure if that's a 4-inch or a 6-inch lift kit on it. I'm not exactly sure. The fellow I bought it from just had all the ball joints done on the front end. He just had it aligned. He's had a bunch of work done to it. He put a new transmission in it 3 years ago. Doesn't leak anything. It runs awesome. And I'll show you around it. Super clean truck in my opinion for the year. It's a 2001. I mean, it would definitely benefit from a little polish. I could polish it out. But for the most part, it's pretty darn good. The only thing that sucks is it's not going to fit in my garage, I don't think, because of the lift on it. It's got a tonneau cover on it, which is nice. It's got a bed liner in there. I even installed the aftermarket step. Swings down so you can get up in the bed. It's in really nice shape. It's bone dry underneath. It doesn't leak a drop of anything. It's even got airbags on it. And they work. Of course, it's got the code like the Fords have. Let me go ahead and get that open. I locked it. Here's the inside. Like I said, it can benefit from a little cleaning, but for the most part, it's pretty darn clean. I was pretty impressed with it. He's even got the husky liners in here. Carpet's clean underneath them. Leather seats, it's a Lariat, and the seats are in good condition. But the gentleman had these seat covers custom made to cover them, front and rear, just to protect them. I mean, he's definitely takes care of his vehicles like I would, so that really impressed me. Factory, you know, AM, FM stereo, 6-disc, you know, nothing done there. Everything's factory on it except for the lift. It's got the adjustable pedals just like the Expedition, so that's nice if the wife has to drive it or anything. Like I said, I just brought this thing home just now. Oh, actually, he didn't put seat covers on the back. Okay, just the front. Okay, these are original seats here. I made a mistake about that. Headliner's all super clean. This was a very good buy in my opinion. This is what I was looking for, and definitely happy with it. He said he just put new shocks on the rear. So here's a shot from underneath. Just like the Expedition, looks like it has a Magna-full muffler and a 3-inch cat back, just like the Expedition. Ain't that something? Yeah, so she's clean. Let's go up here and look under the front. CVs are all good, no leaks. Didn't even try to talk them down on the price. I thought it was so good. Okay, so here's under the hood, just like the Expedition. The 5.4 liter 2-valve. Absolute workhorse of an engine as far as I'm concerned, and super reliable. You see it hasn't been cleaned. Just, you know, just taken care of, maintained. He's got receipts for all oil changes, all the work he's done to it. So here it is from that side. Here it is from that side. And like I said, I can detail this thing out and make it look 10 times better than it does now. And it already looks good in my opinion. You know, usually I get a vehicle and I tear it apart, rip the seats out of it, you know, detail the crap out of it. I'm pretty picky. But this one's been taken care of real nice. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.